So in addition to creating import or an export location, we can actually define geographically where a borrow pit or a waste site may happen to be. So for example, if we needed to put a borrow pit or a waste site down here, we would use the create earthwork site. So on the create earthwork site, we can choose what type of site it happens to be. So the waste site, a borrow site, or even a processing site. So we're going to drop in a waste site here. We'll call it waste location, or maybe you call it landfill, whatever, because that's where you're going to be wasting your material. You can define the layer it goes on and then put in its location. So if I happen to know from my map that my waste site happens to be here, then I can also associate a cost for that waste site. So if I know that per cubic yard, let's say it's $75, and its capacity can store up to 5,000 or 50,000 cubic yards of information or material. So I can drop that in, and that will place the icon for where my waste site is. Now I can create another one, which would be a borrow pit, and we can call this, maybe this is the quarry. Again, location where you want to put it, and let's just say that the quarry is going to be near here, and we'll put it over here somewhere. And we can define the materials in the quarry. So in the quarry, let's say that this happens to be maybe this earthen material that we're bringing in, and the volume that is available there would be maybe 50,000 cubic yards, and its cost would be maybe $100 per cubic yard of material that we're bringing from there. Maybe it's our crushed rock or something like that. So once we do that, we can apply that, and that puts in the borrow location. And then the other thing we can put in is a processing plant. So maybe this is our rock crusher, and we're going to put that in to a location. Maybe that's over here. And again, defining the material in this particular process is we're putting in rock crushing. So if then we were able to excavate rock, bring it to the processing plant, crush it to define another material, and then that material is can then be used on the site. So again, we could put in a cost for that material and apply that processing plant. So again, these are earthwork sites that can be defined with the corridor mass haul.